New tonight, for 17 years, Arizona law denied bail in cases of sexual assault of a minor, but courts have now found that law unconstitutional. That's left the man behind the law grasping for answers, as Cronkite News reporter Alyssa Klink reports from our Washington bureau.
It was bad enough that Chris Cottrell's siblings were sexually abused when they were children.
I can't fully imagine the host of emotional pain and things that happen as a result of sexual assault.
But it was worse when the man accused of that abuse was released on bail days after his arrest and showed up for services at the Cottrell church.
I remember the pain that they felt sitting there and the uncomfortableness that they felt and how my sisters felt about seeing him over there. And I didn't want anybody else to go through that.
Cottrell's solution was to deny bail for those accused of sexual assault of a minor. His idea eventually became Proposition 103, also known as Chris's Law. It was approved overwhelmingly by voters in 2002. It was the law in Arizona until last year when a divided Arizona Supreme Court ruled 4-3 that it was unconstitutional.
Courts can be wrong, and I think in this case the court is wrong. I think it's unfortunate that 4 unelected judges decided to overturn what 80% of the Arizona population wanted.
But civil rights attorney Charles Gerstein said the court did the right thing by ruling that Chris's law violates defendants' due process rights.
The Arizona Supreme Court found the law unconstitutional because it authorized the detention of people pre-trial without a specific finding as to their dangerousness and without the procedures that the due process requires for such a finding.
For Cottrell, making sure assailants stay off the streets is common sense.
I think the victims would have to feel better knowing that the person that did this to them was behind bars.
Gerstein can understand the emotion, but says rights of the accused still matter.
The people who should be jailed should have their rights respected.
The U.S. Supreme Court last month refused to hear an appeal of the Arizona case, the last chance to save the law.
It breaks my heart to know that in an age where we're finally recognizing sexual assault for the important issue it is, the courts decided to let people with clear evidence against them go out on bail and be a threat to the community.
In Washington, Alyssa Klink, Cronkite News.